Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leaving Cert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Alright, let's have a look at this one, another example of what you could use equating coefficients for. So x minus 2 and x plus 2 are factors of x cubed plus 7x squared plus ax plus b. Find the value of a and the value of b, and hence find the third factor. Okay, well, if these are two of the factors, I know that if I multiply them together, I'm going to get a quadratic. And if I then divide the quadratic in there, I could get the third factor. Okay, that's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is with equating coefficients. Okay, so I have three examples here now, 5, 6, and 7. I'm going to do 5 and 6 with equating coefficients, and then I'm going to do 7 with long division and equating coefficients, just so you can then decide which method is yours. You're not too surprised, I'd say, to see that I prefer equating coefficients, but I'm going to show you both methods, and you can decide yourself which one you prefer. So I'm multiplying these together. X by x is x squared. X by plus 2 is plus 2x minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so this is the difference of two squares. So x squared, that should be a minus 4 there. X squared minus 4 is what I get when I multiply those two together, okay? So I know then if I multiply the third factor, so whatever the third factor is here, we'll call it x. I'll call it a letter. Let's call it k. K is a letter that's often used. It doesn't matter what letter I use here. I just have to make sure I don't use any of the unknowns that's in your cubic. So basically the theory is if I were to multiply these three factors by each other like this and equate the coefficients, I would be able to get a and b. Okay, because when you multiply three factors like this together, you can see x by x by x is how you get your x cubed, and then all of the other pieces multiplied will give you the other three terms as well. Okay, so when I multiplied these two together up here, I was starting off this process. So I have x squared minus 4 now by x plus k. Okay, so let's multiply that in. X squared by x and k minus 4 by x and k. So I'll get x cubed, I get plus kx squared minus 4x minus 4k. Okay, and remember that's equal to x cubed plus 7x squared plus ax plus b. Okay, and this is where you equate the coefficients. In other words, the x cubes equals the x cubes, the x squares equals the x squares, the x's equal the x's, and the number at the end equals the number at the end. Okay, so you can do it like this. So that's this one being equal to this one. Let's do the squares next. I have kx squared being equal to 7x squared. Let's do the x's next. Minus 4x is equal to ax. And the last one, minus 4k, is equal to b. Okay, so let's start solving them. Well, there's nothing we can do there. In this one, you can drop the letters, it's the same. So I have k being equal to 7. Okay, wasn't asked for k. Where did k come out of? I invented k when I called the third factor x plus k. Okay, so a then is equal to minus 4, so that's lovely. And this is where I'll use the k. Minus 4 times 7 is b, or b is equal to 7 fours minus 28. Okay, so that's my a and my b. I could write my cubic now as x cubed plus 7x squared. My a was minus 4, so minus 4x, and then b minus 28. Okay, so that's what you figured out when you figured out A and B. So that's one answer. Find the value of A, find the value of B, and hence find the third factor. So we called our factor x plus k. So it's as simple now as writing down the third factor equals x plus 7. If you've enjoyed this video, then why not join us in IT Sligo and use maths in practice. In conjunction with industry, we've designed an exciting new program in electronics and self-driving technologies, which uses cutting-edge techniques such as artificial intelligence, computer vision, and virtual and augmented reality. You'll need a H5 in maths to qualify. Check out the link below.